So there's one time when I was getting ready for a wedding. I needed to pick a shirt and a tie, so I spent about 20 minutes Googling around combinations, and I picked one that I kind of liked. So I went to go pick up my date. She took one look at me and gave me this face and demanded I check the tie. So what I really needed, instead of Googling around, was to ask an expert for some advice. This is the kind of problem ARdvark is going to try to solve.
So this is a very broad problem. It affects people all the time. But we're going to show you a very simple example that I have this Rubik's Cube that I've been trying to solve. And I think I'm close, but I just can't quite figure it out. So I'm going to ask the ARdvark app for some help. And now we've got a list of topics that I can go through. I'm going to pick puzzles. And I'm going to ask the contact an expert. And
Okay, so I've just received an alert on my Fitbit watch saying that someone needs help. So now I know to take out my ARdvark app. And I can see that Ed here needs help with a puzzle. So as a puzzle expert, I'm going to accept.
And now we are connected. So as you can see in my view, I have two screens here. One is my view of my expert, Brian, and the other is actually an augmented reality view. This is ARkit's view that I'm projecting over to my expert. So if you flip the expert phone around, you can see that he sees what I see. So that as I move my phone, he's seeing what I see. And this is now in ARkit 3D. So I'm going to say, Brian, thank God you're helping me. I think I'm so close to this, but I just can't quite figure it out. I could really use a little help. What can I do?
Ed, well first let's find the green face.
Okay, I see it.
I've highlighted it for you.
Thank you.
Now place that in your hand and rotate clockwise.
What you can see here is we actually have a marker that was now placed in ARkit. So this is actually a marker that if we scan around, it stays in the spot where it was placed. And so it's actually physically in our space. So this way he can identify a physical location in a physical space in front of me. And now, okay, Brian, what do I do next?
So like I mentioned, place the green face in your hand.
Okay.
And rotate clockwise without spinning any of the other faces.
All right, I'll give that a try. Oh my God. You're a genius. Thank you so much. You saved my life. Thank you, Brian. And that is a brief demo of how ARdvark works.
So ARdvark uses the power of Agora and AR to help people find experts to solve their specific situation now, in that moment. So such as this puzzle, it's just, we needed to talk. It was a hard thing to kind of Google because it's situational. Or the tie example, that's a hard thing to Google. Like I have a different form, so I don't know what really works for me. There's other problems such as plumbing and auto that is just very context aware and situationally aware. Well, you want to be able to interact with the environment and talk to someone in real time. That's where ARdvark comes into play.
Right, and we envision a wide number of opportunities for this. For example, YouTube is filled with self-help videos on how to do things, and these experts are there, but people often have specific questions that they want to ask of the expert that's hard to answer in the video. They didn't maybe understand one part, or they wanted to get a little more help. That would be a direct tie-in to the ARdvark platform, where they could just click a link on the YouTube page, it would open up the ARdvark app, and they get directly connected to the expert.
So these are the experts that we really have. They're already out there making YouTube self-help videos and getting some revenue from there. But they can also get revenue now through ARdvark, where they get paid by the minute, a little percentage of what the user pays the whole application to get some immediate assistance. So they have another revenue stream, we get a little bit, and they get help immediately, helping everyone get through their tough tasks.
Yep.
And my girlfriend might have had a better time and less embarrassed if I was able to ask ARdvark expert which tie combo I was going to use.
And that's ARdvark. Thank you very much.
Awesome job, guys. Great job.